Marlo, this is Senior Joey from Boys Love Philippines. From the benefits of my viewers who doesn't know you yet, kindly introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I am Marlo Martin, your Mr. International Philippines, City of San Jose del Monte, Province of Bulacan.
Okay, there's a lot of pageant here. Why did you choose MIPH?
I chose po MIPH dahil sobrang prestige po and may fame po talaga. And syempre associated po to ng responsibility. Pero napili ko to dahil sobrang prestige niya po talaga and sobrang linis.
So aside from this pageantry, what makes you busy?
Siguro po sa pagsaserve ko po, I'm an altar server po by the way. And a tourism student po from Bulacan.
So, how's your preparation dealing with this
so far po, maayos naman po dahil sobrang hectic po na schedule po namin and halos araw-araw po training, madalas po Q&A and poster po namin sa paglalakad.
So what's your advocacy here?
My advocacy po is all about sports and wellness. Gusto ko po malaman ng maraming tao ang kahalagahan ng pagiging fit and healthy po.
So, how did you see the potential in yourself that you can have a title or a crown?
Well, siguro po, I know my worth and confident po ako. Kaya, I can say na yes, I can say that.
Do you have any insecurities in your physical aspect?
Yes po, aking height.
Your?
Height po.
Height.
Dahil sobrang sa mga competitors ko po, sobrang daming katangkad. And nakaka-intimidate po sila.
So, kung meron kang, meron kang kahinaan, ano naman yung asset mo?
Marami pong nagsasabi nito. Marami pong nagsasabi na may strong personality po ako. And sa looks ko naman po nung mata raw po.
Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
May time management, discipline, and goal-driven.
Okay, so since you're one of the pretty face, kanina stand out yung mukha mo kanina sa stage, given a chance na makapasok sa showbiz industry, sino yung gusto mong maka-love team?
Maka-love team?
Yeah.
Wala po akong makitang maka-love team ko ngayon eh.
Or maka-work with?
Maka-work. Ayun po, si Katrina at si Liza Soberano po, sobrang idol ko po yun.
Okay. So,
during pandemic pa lang po, idol ko na yun.
Pasalamatan mo na lang yung supporters mo and then you can also invite your friends to subscribe you or follow you in your social media account.
Hi guys, thank you for all the support and kindly support me for this year's edition of Mr. International Philippines. And gusto ko pong pasalamatan ng mga sponsors ko. Ang Royal Aesthetic, nung camp ko po, The House of Vigere Salon and Makeup Studio, Asian Designer Sub, Extreme Gym Muson, and Jomar French Photography. And so my social media platforms po, sa IG ko po is Marlo Martin _. Ganun din po sa TikTok. And sa FB ko po is Marlo Martin.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po.